important point is total internal angle. This total internal angle for both polygon, any types of polygon, quadrilateral or polygon, or it may be that more than two sides, like in triangle also you can find it out, total internal angle. Let there are n sides. For n sides, this total internal angle will be equal to 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. 2n minus 4. Now, example wise, we can see one after the other. Example for triangle. Triangle is also a type of polygon. More than two, it is a type. A specific type, we give it the name of it as triangle. But for triangle, n is equal to 3. So, total internal angle, it would be for triangle equal to total internal angle. It should be 2 into 3 minus 4. So 6 minus 4, 2 into 90 degree. So it is 180 degree. If it is for quadrilateral, n is equal to 4. And at that time, total internal angle will be 2 into 4 minus 4 into 90. So it is equal to 360 degree. So these way total internal angles I will be able to find for any sides of polygon. One another interesting thing that I need to discuss here, that is nothing but number of diagonals for n-sided polygon that I want to discuss now. Please see that, let's say this number of diagonals I want to find. In which way I will be able to get that number of diagonals? I'm drawing some polygon, orbit polygon. Let's say this way. It is drawn. Now after that, number of diagonal, whenever I need to find it out, what is the process? Let me give some name, then it will be much better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is basically 7 sided polygon. In that polygon, if I want to find out the number of diagonal, what I will do? From any one of the vertex, 1, 2, 3, or any one, how many diagonals I will be able to draw? From 1, I cannot draw diagonal to 2, cannot draw diagonal to 7 as well as itself. So beyond that 3, rest others all I can draw the diagonals. Means if I want to draw the diagonal from 1, I can do up to 3, I can do up to 4, I can do up to 5, I can do up to 6. These are the diagonals I will be able to draw from 1. So from each of them, n minus 3 number of diagonals I will be able to draw. And there are how many vertices? N number. So n multiplied by that should be the total number of diagonals. But here, actually, from both of the end, we have calculated. So if I divide by 2, I will get the total number of diagonals. So for 7-sided, what I will do it? Example wise, 7 minus 3 by 2. That is coming as 7 into 4 to 14. 14 number of diagonals total I'll be able to get there. So number of diagonals and total internal angle, these are two important concepts which is applicable in quadrilateral as well as polygon.